This video is a demonstration of assembling my custom split keyboard. The left side of the keyboard has 21 MX black cherry switches arranged in 3 rows of 6 keys plus 3 thumb keys. Control of the keyboard is provided by a Raspberry Pi Pico board. This controller board has built-in USB port and more than enough general-purpose inputs for one input per key. The enclosure was 3D printed using PLA filament. Keycaps for the keyboard were also 3D printed. Spill guards cover ventilation holes in the enclosure. A piece of clear filament is used as a light pipe. An impact-resistant TPU shell was added. Protective TPU posts were also added.